So good morning and good evening, guys. Okay, whatever time you are doing this workout, but just make sure that you complete this set and you add this set in your workouts. Okay, you can do 3 sets of the set which I am going to show it to you now. Okay, at least do 3 rounds of the set. Okay, just before starting up, make sure that you stretch your body properly. Okay, perform all that mobility drills. Okay, and then do this set with me. Okay, you can perform it in your gym, you can perform it at your home, up to you guys. Okay, let's start. Just breathe in and breathe out. Okay, just before starting up, I think a little bit warm up is necessary for you, so just do these jogs. Okay, with me. Come on guys, let's start with some jogs. Get your body prepped up for this workout. Okay, it's a full body kind of a workout. Okay, you can add this set in your workouts and you can perform 3 sets. Okay guys, come on, breathe in and breathe out. Come on, just breathe in, breathe out. You can also go front and back, guys. Come on guys, perform this with me for at least 20 seconds. You're getting your body prepped up for this workout. Come on guys, just front and back jogs. And then just relax guys. After that, take break, breathe in, breathe out, take at least 10 seconds break, and then you're performing jumping jacks with me. Who cannot perform jumping jacks, I'm going to tell you modification. See guys, perform this drill, side to side drill, side or to side drill. Okay, that would be more beneficial. If you cannot jump, if you're a beginner, please don't jump. Okay, perform it according to your body limits. Okay, I'm going to perform it jumping jacks. Let's do it. At least 20 seconds to 30 seconds, do this exercise. Breathe in, breathe out. Come on guys, jacks. And relax. Breathe in, breathe out guys, and relax. Okay, once your heart rate is up, you can perform 2 to 3 exercises like that, and you make sure your heart rate is up. Okay, after that I'm going to start with the set. Okay guys, make sure you rotate your wrist well before starting. It is important to rotate your wrist. Okay, up and down. See guys, up and down, in and out. It is really important to stretch your wrist. Okay, for this set, breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so your first exercise guys, what is your first exercise? A push-up. So guys, I'm going to explain you a perfect form of a push-up, how to do a push-up, and how you can easily perform a push-up with modification. So please focus guys. Okay, because it is really important that you focus on the form of a push-up. Okay, first I'm going to show you knee push-up. See guys, this is a tabletop position. Your shoulder and wrist is in the same line. It's not ahead. Your hands are not ahead and your hands are not too back. So just below your chest, and you're going to see that your elbows will go back, not sideways like that, because that's the wrong form. Okay, and please see, touch your chest down and come on up. Please perform a push-up with a full range. Never perform half reps. You are going to face half results, and that we don't want, right? So perform it. Breathe in, chest down, breathe out, chest up. Can you see? We are doing a push-up, knee push-up. Okay, who are advanced and who can do a full toe push-up, that is up to them. After that, what you're going to do? See guys, if you cannot perform a knee push-up and you're not up to that level, so don't worry. Okay, what you're going to do? You're going to lay down. Okay, breathe in, and then you're going to come up. So that's a hand release push-up. You can come up like that, or you can come up on your high plank. Breathe in, come on up. So that's a hand release push-up. Again go down and perform that hand release push-up. Okay, always make sure that your body is straight and you're looking down. Okay, never look right and left while performing all these exercises. I'm going to do knee push-up. How many? At least 8 to 10 knee push-ups I am going to perform. Okay. After that, I am going to tell you my next exercise. Let's start, guys. Let's perform with me. Do with me. Let's learn how to do a proper push-up. Don't be worried, guys. Don't be afraid of push-ups. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, start. Breathe in. Do it with modification, guys. It's okay to perform with modification. Come on. One more, guys. And up. Always remember to push it from your palms. You're not going to push it from your fingers. Fingers से नहीं push करेंगे. You will always push it from your palms. This is your palm region. What is your next exercise, guys? Just come on up. Now what you're going to perform? You're going to perform basic squat with knee. Right? So how you're going to perform squat with knee, guys? Always remember while performing squats, what you're going to do. Your knees and your toes are going to face outside. They're never going to be in like that. Okay, that's the wrong form. Okay, just perform it like that and make sure your back is straight and you assume that you're sitting in a chair. Just take a breathe in, go down and come on up. Breathe out. How many of these? At least 10 of these. If you're an advanced person and you can jump, you can also perform squat jumps with me. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay, perform squat jumps or squats, normal squats according to your fitness level, right? Let's go, guys. 10 of these. I'm going to go with 5 normal weight push-ups, like normal body weight push-ups, and then 5 squat jumps. Okay, guys, let's see. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in and out. Squeeze while coming up. Squeeze your glutes. These are your glutes. You have to squeeze them. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on, go down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. And breathe out. 5 squat jumps, guys. 5 squat jumps I'm going to perform. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1. Control, guys. Never jiggle your knees. Knees आपके हिलने लगेंगे, so you don't have to perform squat jumps. You have to go back to normal squats. Okay. And relax. Okay, because squat jumps really bring that heat up in your body. After that, what you're going to perform, guys, your third exercise is Russian twist. Up now, what is a Russian twist? Let me explain it to you, guys. Have you seen a sports called caking? Have you really seen a sports called caking? So what do you do in a caking? You basically row like this. You cross a river. Okay, so this is exactly the same movement. Just perform it slow, guys, with breathing in and breathing out. See, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Just relax, guys. I hope I'm clear with all these. Let's perform 2 more sets. Come on, guys. Let's perform 2 more sets with me. Okay, let's see the effect. Come on, go down. Let's do our push-ups. Hand release push-up or basically your normal push-ups. Okay, or toe push-ups. 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathing in. 2, 3. Come on up, guys. Let's perform that squat jumps or normal squats. Let's get it, guys. 1, 2, 3. Come on, breathing in. 1. Or normal squat, guys. Squeeze your glutes. These are your glutes. You have to squeeze them. and relax. Let's perform some Russian twist now. Go down. Okay, let's go down. Sit down like that, and you are going to perform with proper breathing in and breathing out. Okay, let's perform, guys. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, guys. Just focus here. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Now, just we are going to perform the third set, and I'm going to show you one extra move also. What you can add, right? Let's see. Okay. Let's back to back 2 rounds. See, guys, you can take at least 30 seconds of break with 1 round and 2 round. Okay. Between a round, you can take 30 seconds of break. Okay, guys. Let's perform that push up with me. Your third set, guys. Now your third set will bring the burn in you. Okay, your first 2 sets are not going to be that effective, but your third set will be very effective. So never skip your third set. Okay, let's start, guys. Breathe in and breathe out. Start. Align, body is aligned, right? Keep your back straight. Breathe in. Push it from your palms. 2. And just relax. 8 or 10, up to you, guys. Okay, let's perform that squat jumps or normal squats with me. Come on, guys. Third set. Come on, breathe in. Squeeze. Breathe in. Squeeze. Breathe in. Squeeze. Breathe in. Squeeze. And squeeze. Just 5 normal squat jumps. Okay, guys, let's start. Or if you cannot perform that jumps, do that normal squats. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Just relax. Let's go down. Perform that Russian twist. Okay, come on, guys. Third set. Perform slow. Perform it mindful. Okay, just think that you have to complete it properly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, guys. Just take a breathe in and breathe out. Now, guys, see, one additional exercise that I really want to tell you guys. Okay, if you can add that exercise in this set, nothing good like that. What you're going to perform, you have learned a push-up and a squat. Let's mix them, right? So what you're going to do, see, squat down, breathe in, squat, come on up, again go down and do that push-up. So that is your 1 rep, squat and a push-up. See, guys, you can always perform hand release push-up. If push-up is getting difficult for you, perform that hand release push-up. Okay, so this is an advanced exercise that you can add in your sets. Do tell me how was it and let me know how it went, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow with another set. And if you are performing it, show it to me that you performed it. Okay, and I'll see you. Okay.